Okay guys, this is what my hair is looking like right now. I mean, I like it. There's no hair. Oh gosh, I think it's facing the wrong way. There's like no hair product in my hair right now or anything like that. I'll explain to you guys what I did to my hair in a little bit. I just want to show you guys my hair. I'll explain a little bit, you guys. Alright. And if you're not 420 friendly, I'm sorry. But, okay, so what I did. I processed my hair. My hair was copper orange from L'Oreal Highlights. Okay, I mean high colors. And then when I did that, I wanted my blonde hair back. And so that kind of let it fade out. I didn't use any color stripping, whatever you want to call it. I didn't use none of that. So what I did was I processed my hair the first time. I'm gonna show what my hair looks like. Processed my hair the first time with the L'Oreal High Color and Champagne Blonde, and this is what it turned out looking like. And then I noticed, I was like, you know what? It's actually lifting. Like, I could probably go back with just high lift instead of bleach. So then I went and tried the Ion Cool Blonde high lift. Right there. That's what I tried. My blood cell. And this is what it left me with, you know, you guys. That's what it left me with. You guys saw the clip earlier, or am I include it after this? I'm not sure how I'm going to put this video together, but I'm going to put it before or after. You guys saw how my hair looks, or you guys are going to see how my hair looks. I left it on for an hour. I used a 40 volume developer, and I used a foil cap. It's like it's like a shower cap, but it's like foil. What they use to put on the hair to make sure that their hair gets a deep condition from deep conditioning treatments. I use that, and I did not recommend that because after I took it off, my hair it was in my hair. Okay, the product, the Ion Cool Blonde, was in my hair for an hour, and I had that shower cap in my hair for an hour, and my hair was getting hot. I felt it. It was like really hot. My dumb ass was like, it's fine. It's not bleach. I took it off. My ends, where it's mostly blonde at, where it's like platinum, was gummy as fuck. I got like couple strains, and I went like this, and it was like a rubber band. I was like, boing, 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 like a rubber band. That scared the shit out of me. So I did not brush it. I left it alone. I got a little bit of olive oil, and I went like this to my hair. You know, because when, your skin's wet and you put moisturizer on it, your skin absorbs the moisture better. And I figured that's the same thing with the hair. I don't know. But that's what I did. And I let it dry, and then I finger combed my hair, finger brushed it. And, yeah. And I've been putting olive oil on my hair. I need to get a deep conditioning mask. My hair is really fried, really dried. And I'm going to process my hair again with the Ion Cool Blonde again. I'm going to show you guys what my results turn out looking like. But I hope this video can help someone out. Peace out, toodles, and happy trails to all my happy trailers out there and all my new viewers as well.